Sri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 3, OV 133. निसर्गदत्त घर घर स्वर, अल्लाहो अकबर नाम गजर, कलमे पढ़े आनंद निर्भर, नित्य निरंतर रोहिला. Nature had endowed him with a rattling voice. He regularly and constantly shouted Allahu Akbar and the verses with great joy. जयासी हरिनामाचा कंटाळा, बाबा भीती तयाच्या विटाळा, म्हणती उगा का रोहिल्यास पिटाळा, भजनी चाळा जयाते. Baba disliked association with one who loathed God's name. Then, why would he think of driving away the Rohila when he was continuously repeating God's name? Madbhakta yatra gayanti, तिष्ठे तेथे मी उन्निद्र स्थिती, सत्य करावया हे भगवदुक्ती, ऐसी प्रतीती दाविली. Wherever my devotees are singing my praises, I am present there. There I am, without rest, alert, and without sleep. As if it were to prove the utterance in the Bhagavad Gita that Baba behaved in this way. ओले कोरडे मागुनी खाईल, ना तरी उपाशीही राहिल, तया रोहिल्यासी कैची बाईल, कोठुनी जाईल बाबांची. The Rohila subsisted on whatever he got by way of alms, or else went hungry occasionally. How could he have a wife who could go and bother Baba? रोहिला कफल्लक दिडकीस भारी, कैचे लग्न कैची नारी, बाबा बाळ ब्रह्मचारी, कथा ही सारी माईक. The Rohila was reduced to penury. How could he have a marriage or a wife? Baba was a celibate from childhood, so the whole story was allegorical. करीना का कंठशोष, बाबांची कलम्यांचा संतोष, ऐकत राहतील अहर्निश, निद्रा ते विष तयांपुढे. Let him sing with a loud voice. Baba is satisfied by the recitation of the verses. He listened to them day in and day out. Sleep was like poison compared to the verse. कोठे कलम्यांची प्रबोधवाणी, कोठे ग्रामस्थांची पोकळ गारहाणी, तयासी आणावया ठिकाणी, बतावणी ही बाबांची. Compared to the enlightening preachings of the verses, the complaints of the villagers were hollow. This was a strategy followed by Baba to give the villagers the correct perspective. हाची अभिप्राय येणे रीती, बाबांनी सकळा दाविली प्रतीती, रोहिल्याची आवड मज संगती, नामी प्रीती तयाते. In this manner, Baba conveyed the lesson to one and all that he liked the Rohila's company because he loved God's name. दृश्य द्रष्टा आणि दर्शन, अवघेची जया चैतन्य घन, तो असो ब्राह्मण वा पठाण, समसमान दोघेही. The things perceived, one who perceives, and that which he perceives, all the three is God for him. Such a person, whether he be a Brahmin or Pathan, is regarded as the same. एकदा माध्यान्ही आरती झाली, मंडळी स्वस्थानी जावया परतली, बाबांच्या मुखावाटे जी निघाली, मधुर वचनावली ती ऐका. Once, after the noon aarti, when the people started returning home, Baba spoke sweet words from his lips. Hear them. कुठेही असा काहीही करा, एवढे पूर्ण सदैव स्मरा, की तुमच्या इत्थंभूत कृतीच्या खबरा, मज निरंतरा लागती. Wherever you are and whatever you may be doing, always bear in mind that I shall continue to be informed of the minutest details of your deeds.